I'm going to give you the brand T. So they are asking us to share with them creators that know how to create conversion content. If you don't even know what that is, then you are in the right place, because we teach creators how to create specifically conversion content. This is super important right now if you want to keep getting UGC deals, brand deals, even selling your own things or even your own digital products. It is one of the highest leverage skills we can have, is knowing how to sell. Let me show you exactly how to get into the program. All you're going to do is click on anywhere here and it'll take you right to the school community. Then you go to start your free trial. All you have to do is fill this out. It'll send you a verification code that'll go to your email. The email is going to look exactly like this, and it's going to come from school. You pop it into the verification, and then you choose either your monthly or your annual pass. And then you could add a picture and a quick little bio telling people a little bit about yourself. Then click complete, and then you are done. The good news about this is that you're getting in early. That means that you're getting the best deal, you're getting the best price. You have the community part here where we post incredible events that you can attend, and we have a lot of really great resources. For example, you check out this bonus drop here. This is 211 Facebook groups that you can promote in. That means you can unlock unlimited clients basically, and all you have to do is follow along. We do all the step-by-step process and show you. And the best part is that you can post your questions, so you can ask us questions. You can say, hey, what about this, what about that? And so that is where you're getting limited coaching. But the best news is that normally you're paying a lot of money for some of these courses and resources, but we are giving them to you. You have all of these courses that you can learn from, and you could request the courses that you want. So we have incredible instructors, have over 14.5 million followers, even have over 500 campaigns with UGC. We have people that have mastered TikTok shop, and they're showing you that step-by-step approach. And again, if you have any questions, we're here to support you. Getting in now means that you're going to get so much out of it. And we have incredible bonuses like templates that are going to make your life so much easier, because we have optimized each and every single one of them. When you're ready, you can move up to that next level and get even more in-depth personalized attention, getting you to those 10K plus months with retainers. Of course, we have coaching calls that you can hop onto, and we're going to be adding more to this as well. These events you're going to have access to early on, and you'll be able to be part of that build process. The best part is that we're going to have exclusive brand deals that you can sign up for, that you can get free things from. For example, there's a quick wins post in which you can get already free teeth whitening, and you can get free drinks, and all you have to do is post a Google review. We're training you on how to get the highest conversion content. So you see here on TikTok shop, some of these products are making 300, 200K, and if you click in each one, you can see how much you can make with one single video. For example, this one video made $87,000. The creator gets a portion of that. Creators are making this amount of money, but they know how to convert. We have analyzed thousands of these, and we give you the playbook on how to create that high conversion content. And beyond that, you're going to get free gifts. There are creators that are getting free cars, makeup, exclusive events, to interesting creator opportunities. These are high leverage skills that are going to make you money well into the future. Can't wait to see you inside. Let us know if you have any questions.